Hey there Free Fire warriors! Wanna rock a new hairstyle and flex in style? Stick with me cause I'm gonna show you how to change your hair in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open Free Fire and get yourself to the main lobby. Now tap that little backpack icon, aka the vault. That's where your outfit, hat and yes, hairstyle are chilling. Inside vault, slide over to fashion. Look for the head section. That's where all your hairstyle live. Scroll through your collection and pick the hairstyle that scream pro or legend. Wanna go spiky, classy or wild? It's your choice. Found your new look? Tap EQ, boom, you just leveled up your style. Now you are ready to go and have some good battles. Fresh hair, fresh wins. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change hair in Free Fire. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.